Hey guys, for today's travel tip, I'm going to show you how to save offline maps within Google Maps. So first thing you're going to want to do is select the location you want to save offline. I like to save places we're going that may not have phone signal. Like when we recently went to the Smoky Mountains, we didn't have phone signal, we were up in the mountains. So it was very nice to be able to have the Google Maps saved offline to navigate through the mountains. So first you can search for whatever location here, like I'm searching this for the Smoky Mountains. Now you're going to click the three lines in the top left corner, and you're going to click Offline Maps. And then once you're at Offline Maps, you can select Custom Map, and then zoom in or zoom out and select whatever area you want within that square to be saved as an offline map. It shows you how much space it may take on the bottom, and it shows you also how much space you have available. So keep an eye on that. If you need to clear up some space, you can always delete some old maps. You can see you can zoom out and it takes more space, and zoom in and it takes less space. So I would suggest maybe saving a little bit more than you think you're going to need to. That way if you get off the path you can still kind of navigate back. And then there it is, it's going to download there. It shouldn't take very long. And then once it's downloaded, and there it is, it shows it automatically expires after 29 days. It shows the size of it. You can download your other maps if you want. Here's what I downloaded, the map for Cozumel. And I also downloaded one for Progresso. And that way when I go on my cruise, I can navigate everywhere without having to have some data or international data. Hope this video helped you guys. Please, if it did, give me a like, a comment. If you'd like to see more travel tips and join us on our adventures, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.